Super excited to share this product with you. This is the air conditioner cover from Green Vent. It comes in three different sizes. It comes in a 28 by 28, a 32 by 32, and a 36 by 36. And the purpose of this is really to protect your air conditioner from rocks or bugs or leaves or pine cones or different things like that. And I'm actually going to show you how to install it, and you'll see, because I haven't been using one, kind of the toll that the weather and all of those things have taken on our air conditioner. So it comes in this nice little Ziploc bag, and it is made of a strong mesh material. And the reason I know this is because I have another one that fits on our smaller one. And then it also comes with the 4 bungee cords that you can basically hook to. So they're double-sided, so you can hook it to your vent. And then it also comes with these strong grommets in the 4 corners. So we're going to jump outside, and I'm going to show you what this looks like on the air conditioner. So one of the negatives about not having a cover is you get leaves, debris. We have this crabapple tree right here, and so you get these, whatever, crabapple, the dried ones, and leaves, and it kind of gets in here. And the thing that's the most important, right, is then that can actually ruin the motor. It can actually be less efficient for you, which makes your electric bill go up. And so the install is pretty simple. You have these 4 bungee cords, and you've got your actual vent cover, and you can see through this, right? So you've got airflow, which is nice. And then when you're sizing it out, you want to make sure that it just covers everything. And then you take your 4 bungee cords, hook it into the grommet. And then I like to go a little bit loose at the beginning so it's not pulling all over the place. And then I go side to side just to make sure that I get the coverage that I want. And the nice thing about the way that this is built and made is that it allows you some breathability and airflow. And then we would throw these 2 on, but you can see that we're still going to get airflow in here, but it protects it from everything falling in. So whether that's bugs or pine cones or leaves or crab apples, maybe even mice or whatever. And then what I do for both of these, so this is the 36, this is the 24, is in the wintertime, I just turn it 1 twist to the right to cover it from snow, and then I can just come and get the snow. We do get a lot of snow where we're at. So huge shout out to Green Vent. I've been using them for a while. Highly recommend this product for any of your air conditioning needs.